just like that, we're in. Paws are pretty dirty, her claws are long, but she seems pretty content. What's up guys, my name is Torin and we are back with another video. This time, this video is gonna be very special. It is May long, so I'm out camping with the boys. Hopefully it's not too windy and you guys can hear me, but I'm in an absolute amazing area right now. I'm on the Watermaster. We're in the middle of a lake with a pretty sweet view of the mountains. So join me in the video. We're gonna do a little short Bow River float as well as camp out in the mountains south of Pincher Creek. So join us and it should be a good one. Today we are back on the Bow River once again. We have hit an absolute perfect day. There's not a cloud in the sky and it's supposed to be about 17, 18 degrees today. I'm just waiting on Steve. We brought the Watermasters, so we're gonna be floating. We should have an absolute bomb day. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. I'll be filming a lot this summer. Let's get pumping these boats up and get going. Steve's empty. Ready to get going. And we're off. Let's get into some fish. Oh, hooked up to a boat. Guess what he took, Steven? Oh, it's a brown, a little brown. Alright guys, so got an awesome little brown here, just in this little channel. Deep, took the leech. Let's show the camera. It's a nice little brown. Alright, let's release him. Yeah. Woo! Oh, let's just clean it up again.
Yeah, you're like the fucking bouncers at the strip club. Picking up the dollars for all the Okay, here, do another one. Yeah.
I have a whole box. Alright guys, the GoPro's about to die, but we're having a good time shooting some clay. So yeah, after we're done shooting the gun, basically done our little May-long camping trip. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe. And until next time guys, tight lines.